How to enable sensitive content on Telegram 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's check first if Telegram has that settings. So let's head over to the Telegram app, and as you can see, we're on the settings. So if you click on this privacy and security right here, as you can see, you can't have those restricted or those sensitive content on Telegram. So what you need to do is to head over to Telegram on your web. So just open any browser that you have, just log in your Telegram and then head over to the settings. And then from in there, you can see that there's also a privacy and security option. So just click on that. And then from in there, just scroll down until you can see this sensitive content right here. You can see this disable filtering. So if you click on this, you can display sensitive media in public channels on all your Telegram devices. So just tick or untick that depending on your preference. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to enable sensitive content on Telegram. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.